Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying who you are. Open Appleid. Apple. Com or settings on a trusted iPhone, then tap your name. Once done, choose Forgot Password and enter the Apple ID email. This starts Apple's verification flow. Make sure to use a device Apple already recognizes, because two-factor prompts or a recovery code will appear there. If you don't have one, select Account Recovery and prepare an ID. This initial step triggers secure checks, so follow prompts exactly to avoid delays. Next, complete the complex verification. When Apple sends a two-factor code, read it and enter it immediately. Codes expire quickly. If a device asks for its passcode or you have a recovery key, provide those to cryptographically unlock the account. This proves ownership. If codes aren't available, select Start Account Recovery and follow exact prompts. You'll receive an estimated wait time. Be patient and keep your contact info accurate, because Apple's checks prevent unauthorized access and may require manual review. Finally, reset the password when allowed. Choose a new, unique password you haven't used with this Apple ID, then confirm it. Once the password updates, sign back into all devices and apps. Make sure iCloud, Messages, and Mail reconnect. If recovery took days, monitor the email Apple used for status updates. If something goes wrong, contact Apple support with your recovery request number and ID ready. That speeds help. Remember, changing the password immediately secures your account and ends pending recovery attempts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.